internship using LinkedIn platform. Before we get into the steps, let's briefly talk about the importance of internships and how LinkedIn is such a valuable tool for finding them. Internship provide a fantastic opportunity to gain hand-on experience, build your professional network, and develop skills that are crucial in your chosen field. They serve as a bridge between academic learning and real-world working environment, allowing you to make a smoother transition into your career. LinkedIn, the world's largest professional networking platform, offers a vast array of internship opportunities across various industries. It enables you to connect with recruiters and professionals in your desired field, making it a key resource for students and job seekers alike. Steps for applying for internship on LinkedIn app. First, download the LinkedIn app and create your professional profile. By downloading the LinkedIn app or visit the website, set up a comprehensive profile that highlights your education, skill, and any relevant experience. Make sure your profile is complete and polished to make a strong first impression. Second, specify to the job section. Once your profile is ready, navigate the job section. In search bar, type internship and specify the location where you would like to work. Third, specify your field of interest. Under the job section title, specify the field you are interested in. For example, if you are interested in HR, then simply search for human resource. Fourth, filter result by posting dates. This will increase your chance for getting recent opportunity. Use the date posted filter. Select either the past 24 hours or past week. This will show you the most up-to-date internship list. Fifth, select internship with easy apply option. Focus on internships that have easy apply option. This allows you to submit your application directly through LinkedIn with minimum steps and making the process more quicker and easier. Sixth, reach out the recruiters. After applying, take the extra step to send a direct message to the person who posted internship. Introduce yourself and express your interest in the position. Additionally, send a resume to the company official website. This will increase your chance for getting noticed. Activate job alert. Finally, turn on the job alert feature for your search criteria. This will save your filter and notify you whenever a new internship that matches with your preference are posted, ensuring you to never miss an opportunity. By following these steps consistently, you will increase your chance for getting an internship that aligns with your career goal. Thank you for watching and stay connected for more such informative videos. Best of luck with your internship search.